सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा सिप.
I'd only say that as much as this is a travesty of justice, it's also a travesty of justice that the BJP government in Goa, ladies and gentlemen, has been able to do nothing, and the BJP government in Delhi also has been able to do nothing, as the Luthra brothers, who are responsible for the murder of 25 people, the Luthra brothers, responsible, ladies and gentlemen, for the murder of 25 people in Goa, ran away. As I said yesterday, they're going to pull their legal strings. They are picking very expensive lawyers to protect themselves. But the Republic investigation today has exposed the uncomfortable truths of how corruption and only corruption led to the nightclub fire.
On December 6th, the glittering facade of Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub shattered into smoke and screams. Corruption killed 25 people. A basement turned into a gas chamber, triggered by electric firecrackers, amid zero fire exit, no alarms and no fire extinguishers.
मैक्सिमम अगर आप देखेंगे तो 5 मिनट के अंदर पूरा हॉल मतलब 5 मिनट के अंदर पूरा हॉल जल गया था, जिसमें से बहुत कम लोग बाहर आ पाए, बाकी वो बेसमेंट की साइड चले गए.
This wasn't just an accident. It was murder by negligence, a result of corruption. A web of corruption that let the guilty flee 2 hours after the fire broke out. Tickets booked. 6 hours later, the flight had taken off for Phuket. The Luthra brothers, Saurabh and Gaurav, built an empire on deceit. The co-owner of the Birch Club now arrested. Documents with Republic show how greed and corruption let their empire grow in Goa.
क्या कह रहा है? क्या कहोगे? लगातार वो अपने फेस को कवर करके आ रहे हैं.
Their Romeo Lane chain spanning Delhi to Goa were built as a part of the 42 shell companies registered from a single Delhi address, a way for tax evasion, money laundering and regulatory dodging. No fire audit for years, forged clearances, illegal buildings on government land, all waived through corruption.
Trade license issued to Birch nightclub without measures and norms in place. Demolition order issued but in vain because the case gets stuck in the Directorate of Panchayat. 3 officers suspended as the lapses were seen. On the other hand, a safety net was built for Luthra brothers at all levels. According to the sources, senior bureaucrats intervened the investigation ordered by a then PI of Anjuna and Crime Branch.
Sources tell Republic it was a clear senior officers and politician nexus shielded the Luthra brothers. Something that the Chief Minister is contradicting himself on.
का ऐसे सीनियर ऑफिस ने रोका है, ऐसे कभी सामने नहीं आया है. तो डेफिनेटली उसके ऊपर जितने सारे कंप्लेंट्स थी उसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी इंक्वायरी हो रही है. कि इंक्वायरी में ऐसा कुछ आया तो वी विल टेक द एक्शन ऑन देम आल्सो.
But their reports, sir, already.
डेफिनेटली मैं कहता हूँ कि पूरे इंक्वायरी से इस तरह का कोई रिपोर्ट आया तो उसके ऊपर भी हम एक्शन लेंगे.
Have we failed as a nation to tackle corruption?
Spokesperson Kalwa Sujata Gupta is joining from Hyderabad. Spokesperson of the AAP, Siddharth Sharma, is from Delhi. Raghu Wagmare is Chief National Spokesperson of the Shiv Sena.
Sir, voice loud nahi hai.
And I'll be louder, Ms. Gupta. And Raman Malik is pro-BJP. Can I have him? Can I have the 4 windows with the 4 top bands? Thank you very much. Not directing henceforth. Camera a little bit to the left. Aditi, can I start anchoring and stop directing? Thank you. Now, Dr. Raju Wagmare, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So clearly this was corruption that was going on under the BJP government in Goa. The open corruption. open corruption, like Congress used to be corrupt earlier, now BJP is corrupt. Because all of these cases, had it been a Congress government, by now BJP would be talking about it. Because it's a BJP government, BJP spokespersons also don't speak up. Anytime the questions are uncomfortable, BJP does not want to answer. So, how much money was paid which led to this killing in your view? Because estimates are ranging from 1 crore to 10 crores of bribes that were paid here.
I think if you look into the situation in Goa, that in there, not a single department has been involved. There are many departments has been involved. The departments which give license, NOC for fire, the department which gives license to build, that is unauthorized construction has been there. So those people are responsible. The police is responsible. So there are several departments are responsible for this.
Today it's a big admission from you. The Shiv Sena is saying, Ms. Kalwa Sujata Gupta of the Congress Shiv Sena is saying that there is corruption at many levels of the BJP government, not one level. All levels there has been corruption. It's a very big admission, isn't it? So several levels, maybe even police is involved. Now officials are placed under suspension, but all the action has happened after 25 people have died.
सर मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ बोलिए, आप हिंदी में बोलिए.
मेरे बारी है ना अभी?
हाँ जी.
थोड़ा वॉइस लाउड नहीं है सर.
लाउड है, आप बोलिए.
सर ये तो जो गोवा में 2 दिन पहले हुआ है, उसके लिए तो सब लोग चिंतित है, ऐसा नहीं होना है. बाकी का बाद में सब सोचे तो ये इंडिगो फ्लाइट कितना इन्वॉल्वमेंट है ये सबको पता चल रहा है. आधा घंटे में उनको वीजा मिलता है, आधा घंटे 5 आवर्स में यहाँ से फ्लाई होता है. उन्होंने कैसा होता है? गवर्नमेंट, दिल्ली का गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी का है, गोवा का गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी है. ये कहाँ से ऐसा हुआ ये पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या? आधा घंटे में पुलिस को पता चला या फायर ये हुआ बोल के. फिर भी गवर्नमेंट इन्वॉल्व नहीं हुआ, पुलिस इन्वॉल्व नहीं हुए. उनको सेफली दिल्ली भेज दिए, दिल्ली से उन लोग चले गए, फ्लाई हो गए और उनको वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट मिला. कैसे मिला ये सब? कौन कौन इसमें मेरे मुलाकात है, कैसा है, सबको पता है सर. इतना बड़ा इंसिडेंट हो गए तो इतना 25 लोगों का जान ले लिए ये लूथरा ब्रदर्स ने, फिर भी उनको कुछ भी नहीं है. आज के दिन में एक ही अरेस्ट हो गए, वो इंडिया में था. दोनों फ्लाई हो गए, उन लोग कहाँ है पता नहीं है अभी तक. इसका कौन जिम्मेदारी है? देश का जिम्मेदारी कौन है? और ये जो इंसिडेंट हो गए उसका जिम्मेदारी कौन है?
रमन मलिक 1 मिनट जी. कविता सुजाता गुप्ता जी कांग्रेस पार्टी की पूछ रही है कि इस पर प्रतिक्रिया क्या है. प्रतिक्रिया एक ट्वीट की नहीं हो सकती है रमन मलिक. द प्रतिक्रिया, द रेस्पॉन्स कैन नॉट बी ऑफ अ ट्वीट and 1 lakh rupee payment. Are you hearing me, Raman?
No. The point is, Arnab. Yeah, I'm hearing you. Can you hear me?
The point is there is untold corruption under the BJP government in Goa. The point is all the construction is in a CRZ zone. The point is the land was earmarked as a salt pan and an agricultural wetland. Right, Siddharth? The point is there could not be any commercial construction. The point is across Goa, not in one place, across Goa this is happening. The point is people are now beginning to speak up. The point is people are saying there's a hafta culture. People are saying there's a hafta culture. So when you say there'll be no corruption, do you mean there will be no corruption at the highest level of the central government? But what about the rest of the country? Do you care about the people, Raman? Or would you say that people complain too much?
Why I would say this.
Do you care about the people?
I would say this, that people will say what they feel and we have to honor. People in power have to honor it. But our friend from Congress was able to give a false narrative. Reason being that for Thailand, you have visa on arrival.
4 windows, please.
So the broader point is The broader point is, Arnab, that this kind of
visa on
culture
arrival
has
is
been
not the
going on
issue.
for
The
some
issue is
time,
why
but
did you
this
not
has
put
to
a
be
lookout
curtailed.
notice? The names of the Luthra brothers रात को ही बाहर हो चुके थे. मीडिया को पता था, रिपब्लिक ने नाम दे दी थी, मगर 5.5 रुपए की फ्लाइट उन्होंने कैसे ली?
देखिए,
नहीं, आई एम सॉरी, देखिए नहीं होगा. ये किसी और की सरकार होती तो आप मोर्चा निकालते.
इंटेंशनल था. एंडरसन को बाहर करा गया था, ना कि लूथरा ब्रदर्स को. एंडरसन को बाहर करा गया था.
गवर्नमेंट गोवा में रहे तो
एंडरसन को बाहर भेजा गया था सोनिया गांधी ने, ना कि लूथरा ब्रदर्स को. और लूथरा ब्रदर्स जो गए हैं वो
सुजाता गुप्ता
ने नोटिस
सर्वनाश करते थे. अभी तक भारत देश को सर्वनाश करते थे यही बीजेपी वाले. अगर से गोवा में और किसी का गवर्नमेंट रहा और इंडिगो वाले ने उनको. सर मेरा क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. उन्होंने कैसे फ्लाई हो गए? आधा घंटे में गोवा छोड़ के कैसे चले गए?
सर्वनाश करने के लिए
को पता है, पूरे पुलिस को आधा घंटे में पता चला है. ये
हाँ तो आप बताइए, आपको क्या पता है कि कैसे चला गया? मैं तो ये बोलता हूँ कि उनको ब्लू कॉर्नर नोटिस नहीं इशू हुआ.
आप इंडिया के रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पर्सन नहीं है, नहीं तो आप इंडिया के वोटर नहीं है, आप इंडिया के गवर्नमेंट में नहीं है क्या? आप पहले मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए.
एक्शन लेगी सरकार. अगर सरकार और कोर्ट एक्शन नहीं ले फिर तो आप बात करिए.
आप अपने समर्थन कर रहे. इतना बड़ा इंसिडेंट हो गया तो अपना समर्थन क्यों कर रहे हैं?
जब आपने एंडरसन को भगाया था, तब ये
आज are you saying कि 1 minute, are you saying Raman, are you saying that because Warren Anderson was allowed to flee by the then Congress government, you are allowing the Luthra brothers to flee because you have also got a similar right by precedent? आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
I don't think this government has got anything to do with this.
This government has not got anything to do with anything.
A fling. They may have. No, the government has nothing to do with the crime. The crime was committed.
The government has everything to do with the crime.
The Constitution.
The government has got everything to do with the crime because 1 minute. Viewers, Abhi, this is the worst thing. I want to get Siddharth into it. Sir, 1 minute. A minute, please. A minute, please. A minute. See, my investigating team has accessed the warning for 2 years on which zero action was taken. When Republic Network, which is the largest network in the country, जब ये investigate करती है, हम सारे कागजात हमारे पास होते हैं. Warning letters थी departments को. अब ये नहीं हो सकता कि किसी को पता ही नहीं है. लोगों को पता था, government records available थे, complaints थे, और club was operating without any clearances. And I'm saying this, Siddharth, this is not the only club. This is not all across Goa, this corruption is happening. I'm getting a feeling tonight as I'm doing this program that even the central government thinks that, you know, people will forget in 3 or 4 days. 3-4 दिन में लोग सब भूल जाएंगे. 3-4 दिन में रमन मलिक, 3-4 दिन में मीडिया भूल जाएगी. देश की बहुत सारी मीडिया, कॉर्पोरेट मीडिया है. Only one independent media network is there, which is Republic Media Network. लोग भूल जाएंगे कि पार्थ पवार के केस में 1,800 करोड़ की जमीन उनको कैसे मिली. अजीत पवार के बेटे का पॉलिटिकल कवर अप बीजेपी सरकार ने कैसे की. बीजेपी सरकार के होते हुए पुणे पोर्शे केस में 300 वर्ड के एक ऐसे लिखकर पॉलिटिकल कवर कैसे हुआ. BMW हिट एंड रन केस में जब मिहिर शाह ने एक कपल को वहां पे एक्सीडेंट हुई 7 जुलाई को, उस समय क्या हुआ सबको पता है. अजीत पवार ने जब वुमेन IPS ऑफिसर को अटैक किया, पर्सनली अटैक किया. आप संदेश खाली के बारे में बोलते हैं क्योंकि बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी है. आप अभया के केस में बोलते हैं क्योंकि वहां पे ममता बनर्जी है, मगर अजीत पवार के केस में कुछ नहीं बोलते, गोवा के केस में कुछ नहीं बोलते. ये दोहरे मापदंड नहीं चलेंगे. The people are asking today, not only Republic, people are asking Raman Malik, you are on the back foot. You are on the back foot. Everybody knows. The people died because of corruption.
Porsche case में क्या ये the order was it given by a political person or was it given by the judiciary?
सालों
जुडिशरी ने दिया ऑर्डर पोर्शन
अच्छा मैं पूछता हूं आपको, आई टेल यू वन थिंग, करप्शन सिर्फ केंद्र सरकार के टॉप लेवल से निकालने से नहीं होगा, करप्शन बाकी देश में क्या हो रहा है। आप बोल रहे हैं, मुझे आपको लगता है रिपब्लिक ने रिसर्च नहीं करता। पोर्शे केस में 45 फोन कॉल्स वर मेड टू अ एनसीपी एमएलए when the killer was arrested. There is no denial to the fact that Ajit Pawar's MLA visited the police station. और एक्सपोज करूं मैं
सर, देखिए
देखिए नहीं होगा ना।
ऑन हाउ एनसीपी ऑपरेट्स।
I
have no
यू फील आपने नैरेटिव चला दी कि देश में करप्शन खत्म हो गया। कहां पे खत्म हुआ है देश में करप्शन?
करप्शन हमारे यहाँ से मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि बीजेपी के सत्ता में रहते हुए करप्शन के ऊपर हमेशा एक्शन लिया गया है, कहीं भी छोड़ा नहीं गया है और एक पॉजिटिव वे में वो चले हैं। मैं तो ये पूछना चाहता हूँ इस समय कि क्या आप ये बता सकेंगे कि क्या उनको जो भी पोर्शे केस वाले हैं, क्या उसको व्यक्ति को ऐसे लिखने के लिए किसी पॉलिटिकल व्यक्ति ने बोला या कोर्ट ने बोला? अगर
पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन थी, सबको पता है।
का आपको फिर कोर्ट से
पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन थी, सबको पता है। पुणे वाले केस
ये कोर्ट ने क्यों बोला?
मिला और सब लोग
नहीं तो आप तो उजागर करते हैं ना, आप तो कब से उजागर कर रहे हैं?
I'm opening up the lines now. I want Siddharth to come into the debate. Siddharth of the Aam Aadmi Party. See, corruption, I'll tell you one thing. One second. It cannot be. Raman, thank you. Raman, it cannot be that you're very angry in the case of the liquor scam involving allegedly AAP leaders. But you take a totally different approach towards corruption of your own party people, your own governments.
And there's a lag in the audio.
Now you'll say there's a lag in the audio. Siddharth is hearing. I hope he doesn't have a lag in the audio. Siddharth?
No.
Siddharth, the BJP says there is no corruption involving our party and our government. We are not responsible for what happened or for the deaths in Goa.
Well, world over, everybody knows that corruption is done only by the powerful people. A common man running around on the road does not have any power to do any kind of corruption. Well, it's good that Republic team has done a lot of research about the Goa fire tragedy. And I think in that research, very, very unique thing would have come out that Goa has 186 village panchayats. And village panchayats are so powerful in Goa that even licenses to shops and hotels are given by the village panchayat. It is on record now that the village panchayat, village pradhan or village panchayat head of Arpora, where this fire tragedy occurred, he has already given in writing that this place needs to be demolished. The question is, how come the village panchayat wants something to be demolished, but the state government does not let it demolished? It's very simple. I think right at the outset, your team hit the nail on the head. This what happened in Goa was absolutely murder by negligence. Any government's first and foremost duty is to provide security to all its citizens, because a citizen, any citizen, not even Amitabh Bachchan can have his own police or his own weaponry. Every family in India today pays nearly 20,000 rupees per year as GST to governments. The government has all the wherewithal, technology, police, etc. from this revenue. So wherever world over any kind of government is there, be it a kingdom like Saudi Arabia or a dictatorship like North Korea or a democracy like India or the USA, the government of the place, any government's first and foremost duty is to ensure security to all its citizens, because citizens do not have the wherewithal to secure themselves. Now this is a very clear case that murder by negligence has happened. In fact, not just this, even the Indigo chaos is due to BJP's own doing. It tried mixing DNA of rabbit and crab, and now things are going sideways and going pretty fast too. How can one define a chimera that while Aam Aadmis are unable to fly Indigo, same Indigo carries Goa fire tragedy kingpin to Thailand? Obviously,
इंडिगो को बचाने के लिए, इंडिगो का पक्ष रखने के लिए कोर्ट कौन गया? इंडिगो का पक्ष रखने कोर्ट कौन गया? वही इकोसिस्टम के लोग। आज उनको जो फिरौती दे के इंडिगो जो है उनसे काम करा रहा है, ये चिल्ला चिल्ली करा रहा है, वो इंडिगो अपनी फेस सेविंग के लिए कर रहा है, नैरेटिव बिल्डअप कर रहा है। सरकार नहीं छोड़ेगी, मेरे को नहीं लगता कि सरकार छोड़ेगी उनको। हाँ, लेकिन इतना जरूर मैं पूछना चाहूंगा कि हाँ, अगर किसी कानून बना हुआ है और
अभी तक किस-किस को पकड़े आप पहले बताइए।
तब सरकार काम करेगी, पहले उठा के पकड़ लेगी।
कितने चोरों को पकड़ के लेके विदेश को भाग गए, सब चोर कितने चोरों को पकड़ के लेके इंडिया को वापस, जितने देश में लूटे हैं, जितने कर्जा करके चले गए, उन लोगों को कहाँ से कभी तक 12 सालों से
Perceptions are changing quickly. Mr. Wagmare wants to come in. Yes, Dr. Raju.
What I feel, Arnav, this kind of talks and blaming to the political party, rather than everybody should understand that this kind of things is not politics. We have to take care of a citizen. We have to take care of the society, and the political parties also should involve.
Mr. Wagmare, if the Luthra brothers have paid bribes to people to run a major illegal operation, and 26 people have died because of that, then the government has to take responsibility. Who else?
Absolutely, absolutely. I am not denying.
Do you want the opposition to take responsibility or the government?
No. I said in my opening statement, this is a corruption from various lines. This corruption has been happened. Otherwise, this would have been not happened. And this kind
And how come all the dance bars which have been shut down in Mumbai are now opening in Goa?
That is.
What happens to the cultural policy of the BJP? No, sir, these are questions, sir. These are questions. I don't know why they surprise you. Sudhir Chaudhary is calling from Guwahati. Sudhir, what do you think?
Hello.
Hi, Sudhir.
Hi,
Yes, Sudhir, what do you think in this?
I have small 2 points. So firstly, thank you for raising Indigo issue and the Goa issue, which no other media was doing. So thank you for that. And secondly, the corruption which you are talking about, it's gone at the top level, but at the lower level, it has actually increased.
Yes.
So rather than getting away with $100, now you have to pay $500,000. So the government has to look upon these things, and we always forget these.
I'll just pause you there. I want a reaction to that. You see, many people are calling in and saying corruption at the top may have gone down, but at the lower levels, it's actually increased. Raman, people don't lie. You ask anybody, 9 out of 10 people will tell you that corruption may have gone down at the topmost level. We appreciate there's no big scam in the central government, right? But corruption for the people has increased. Are the viewers lying? Certainly not.
That is what I'm trying to tell you for so long, that there is a problem. The inherent nature.
Why in 11 years have you not been able to tackle low-level corruption, middle-level corruption?
Of life has to be eradicated. So
are you saying people don't have to pay bribes to get jobs done?
Stopping it, and everything is going to have a percolating effect.
So you're looking at everything in a very systemic way. कि हमने demonetization कर दिया, हमने UPI करा दी, इसलिए corruption नहीं होगा. Are you in the real world? आपको लगता है कि demonetization करा दी, digital economy करा दी, UPI करा दी, KYC करा दी, इसलिए corruption नहीं होगा?
There is so much of corruption.
Then why is there so much corruption after 11 years of BJP?
We've never seen the ethical
Shrikant Channel from Bengaluru. Shrikant.
Not just the money.
Shrikant.
Sir, I am Shrikant from Bengaluru. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Sir.
See, I am an engineer speaking with from our NBC perspective. National Building Code of India clearly specifies what should be done after the completion of the building. Obtain the safety certificate from the structural engineer, obtain the fire certificate, safety certificate from the fire engineer, and then we have to get the occupancy certificate properly. But all the certificates have been thrown to air, and it is not only in the present government, it is happening since many governments, even earlier also. And nowadays, in the name of ease of doing business, every regulation is being thrown to air. This is what I would like to tell you, that this is going to be worsened. It will not become so easy in future. We have to suffer further more than what we were facing
I have said yesterday, Goa case shows me that low-level corruption exists. Indigo case shows me that duopoly and monopoly exists, and duopoly and monopoly are bad. The worst thing, the most dangerous thing in this country is if any sector there are duopolies and monopolies, 2-3 companies control everything. And when I say things like this, nobody from the BJP can defend this. Dr. Ramesh Mani is from Hyderabad. Dr. Mani, what do you think? Dr. Mani. Jaypali Singh from Gurugram, are you there? Mr. Jaypali Singh.
Yes, I'm there, Arnab, and good evening to you and to all your panelists. See, I'm not an expert at anything, but I am a citizen. And as a citizen, I would say, much though I would like to feel very secure in this country, but I only pray I don't have to go through this. Because if I have to get to any government this thing, I mean, so whether it is the police or it is the construction or anything, I know I will be told, period. Period is this, and whatever is my concerns will never, this is my thing, that it may never be addressed. So this is the kind of thinking which I think majority of us people as citizens are feeling. Thank you so much.
I think that's very well said. I don't know if it is seeping in though. Are you hearing, Raman? Are you hearing, Raju? That means there is the people of the country feel that, okay, you are providing stability, political stability, good, top-level corruption is not there in the center, good. But what happens to the people? Do they have to pay bribes to get jobs done? Are bribes being paid at every level? Is the bureaucracy still corrupt? Yes, Siddharth. I mean, these are somewhere things are exploding. The Indigo issue has opened the lid on public frustration. Public frustration.
You're 100%
Yeah,
right.
can I answer that?
You're very
Arnab,
correct that
shall
there
I answer
are
that?
problems and nobody is
Yes.
trying to say.
I think we need to understand that corruption, there is nothing called as corruption at the top and corruption at the bottom. It's an oxymoron. One cannot claim reduction in snake bites while dog bites keep increasing. Both are government's responsibility. Citizens neither keep snakes as pets, neither do they rear biting dogs. Everything is government's responsibility as far as security is concerned. What happens is that centralization of power is to a democracy, proof being Article 1 of India's constitution. BJP, unfortunately, not just promotes but also trespasses into others' domain. Result is this chaos. Be it the Indigo fiasco, farm laws repeal fiasco, Notbandi fiasco, or the ongoing running away from Trump fiasco. Intent doesn't take me far if I don't have content. Running India is like running Indian cricket. You need Team India, you need India A, you need under 19, you need a Ranji pool. It isn't about intent to win. It is about having a content of hundreds of players. It's a team game. We need to understand India is a huge country. It needs a team game. You cannot have one person or one party or one set of people, howsoever good they are. It's not about intent anymore. It's like I have if you permit me 20 seconds, Arnab, I have a 85-year-old mother with me. I'm her only son. Of course, her well-being, the best intent for her is mine. But tomorrow, God forbid, if she gets into some kind of health issue, it's not my intent that will save her. I will have to take her to a good surgeon.
I think
whose content is important.
I think the point being this, that I think the intent of the center is good. The intent of the BJP to end top-level corruption is good. But if the people of the country are still experiencing corruption, inefficiency, incompetence, and red tapeism, then the intent has to actually translate into ground-level execution. Dear viewers, on the other side tonight, we shift focus. We'll go into politics. And we had a showdown in the Lok Sabha with Amit Shah showing Rahul Gandhi the mirror. I'll cut 4 parts of that debate and I'll tell you why. I'll show you 4 clips when I'm back.
Quick breather.
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।